Hi everyone, so today we're going to solve Leetcode daily challenge problem number 380, insert delete get random at order of 1. So in this problem what we have to do is we have to complete the given functions to do the certain task. For example, in the init part we have to initialize the object in which we will be doing the task for for all these functions. Okay, in insert what we have to do is we have to insert an item which is this one into the set. If not present, returns true. If the item was not there, else false. Same in remove, what we have to do, we have to remove the given, like the asked element from the set. If it was present, we will return true, else we will return false. And in GetRandom method, we have to return a random value from the stored set, and we have to make sure that each element should have the same probability of being returned. Okay, and as per the requirement, we have to make sure that all the functions gets completed within order of one time complexity. Okay, so let's start. First of all, what I'll do is I'll start with my object in which we will be storing the values. So I'm taking set. In my case, you can do the similar steps, and you can use the same logic with the list as well. Okay. In the insert function, I'll keep it very simple. We will check if value was not in self dot sorry, in the set, in the object we created. If not, what we'll do is we will add the value and will return true, else we just have to return false. In the remove method, what we have to do, we have to see if the value was there in the created set. If yes, we'll remove that and return true, else false. Right? If value in self.RandomizedSet, what we do is we'll simply just remove the value from it and return true. Okay, else I'll return false. Okay, in random, what we have to do, we have to simply just return a random element from the set we have prepared. Okay. To this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Python module random, and from this, like random.choices can be used to pick any random element from a given iterable. Okay, so this is what all we have to do. So I have used this index because random choices was giving me the result in the in an array, right? So that's why we are using this index to pick the value only. Let's see. Okay, so the test cases got passed successfully. Submitted for all the test cases, and yeah, the solution got accepted. Okay, so thanks again guys for watching the video, and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. Thank you.